Analyzing the job description. A resume is a piece of nonfiction writing, like a business letter, or an email, or an English class essay, or a cover letter. And all pieces of nonfiction writing have three things in common: purpose, audience, and message. We learned in the last lesson that your resume's main purpose is to get you an invitation to an interview for a specific job, and each job has a description. So it's important to have the job description for the role you want before you start to write your resume. And your resume's audience will ultimately be your interviewer. So it's important you know what that interviewer is looking for in an applicant for that job. This might require that you do some research on the company and its values, mission, organizational framework, and so on to help you have a better understanding of who your audience is. After you're clear about your resume's purpose and audience, you can begin to write the message of your resume, which is to demonstrate to the employer that you are a good fit for the role you want. That starts with analyzing the job description very carefully so you understand what the employer wants and whether or not your skills, qualities, and experiences fulfill those criteria. Look for key words and phrases that occur multiple times in the job description, or those that you know are common in the field. Notice in this internship description that self-motivated occurs twice. Two other things to note in a job description are the minimum requirements and the preferred requirements. Be sure that you meet all minimum requirements, and the more preferred requirements you meet, the greater your chances of getting called in for an interview. When you analyze the job description, you'll probably see that many employers are more concerned with your transferable skills, those skills and qualities that are applicable in any professional setting, and not just knowledge and skills that pertain to a particular occupation. If you're wondering whether you have the transferable skills that employers seek, here's a list of the top 5 according to a recent survey conducted by the National Association of Colleges and Employers. These include critical thinking and problem-solving skills, teamwork and collaboration, written and oral communication, leadership, and a strong work ethic. Note any of these that show up in the job description and highlight those on your resume if you have them. So, just to review the main points from this lesson, first, use key words and terms from the job description. Second, highlight your relevant skills, qualities, and experiences. And third, visit www.sjsu.edu/career-center for samples of resumes and cover letters. In the next lesson, we'll talk about writing strong accomplishment statements on your resume. Thanks for watching. Now go, click, learn.